Okay, solid shape. In the first you look at the textbook. What is the first shape, Nana? In solid shape, what is the first one? Cuboid. What is the first one? Cuboid. Look at the picture in the textbook. Yes. Now, look at the examples regarding this cuboid. What are the examples? Blackboard duster, gift box, wooden box, and pencil box. Okay. These are the examples for the cuboid. Just you understand the shape enough. Regarding the solid shape, for the given shape, what it is, if you identify, well and good. That is enough. Okay, ma? Solid shape, just you have to identify which solid shape it is. That is enough for you. Okay. Now, look at the cube. What are the examples for the cube? Rubik's cube, ice cube, dice, building block. These are the examples for cube. You can imagine another one also. Okay. Next solid shape is sphere. Next solid shape is sphere. Just you identify what shape it is, that is enough. Okay. Now baseball, billiard ball, and orange. Okay, Nana. Next shape is cone. What is the next solid shape? Cone. So what are the examples for this cone? Birthday cap, ice cream cone, traffic cone. Okay. Now next solid shape is cylinder. Look at the example, Nana. Candle, flute, cell, and cake. Just you identify what shape is, that is enough for this. Okay, ma? And next one is arranging in a stack. Stack means what, Nana? So we have to keep one above the other. We have to keep one above the other. So the given shape is, can we arrange one above the other, means we can say we can arrange that in a stack. We can arrange that in a stack. Now open page number 94 in term 1 textbook. Page number 94. Page number 94 in term 1 textbook. Term 1 textbook. Page number 94. Just look at the exercise 3, Nana. That is first shape is first. What is the first one? Carom coin. Yes. Is it roll? Yes, it can roll. Can we arrange one above the other? Yes, we can keep it in a stack. Like that you have to see. Like that, just observe ball here. Look at the ball. Can we roll the ball? Yes, we can roll the ball. Can we keep one above the other? No, we can't. So we can't keep a ball in a stack, but it can roll. Okay, Nana? So like that you prepare. And remaining pattern and money. Pattern means you know what is the order, basing on that you have to fill that one. And regarding the money, so you have to see how we have to convert. What is the symbol for rupees? What is the symbol for pies? Okay. What is separating the rupees and pies? Okay. How we write in a words, given number like this. Suppose if they give like this, how we will read this one? 2 rupees 55. How you will read this one? 2 rupees 55. Like that you have to write in a words. Suppose if they give in words, you have to write number. Okay, Nana? And next one, conversion. Converting rupees to pies or pies to rupees. So all these topics you prepare for the exam. Okay, Nana? Okay, thank you. All the best for everybody. Okay, thank you. Under the 5. Good afternoon, children. Yes, ready for the social class? So today we are little late, okay? A bit late for the class, no problem. So yesterday we have completed writing the classwork. So only filling the blanks are left. So I request the children, take your classwork, pencil, eraser, take the fresh page and start writing the filling the blanks, okay? So yesterday we have completed up to 10 question and answers, okay? So take fresh page. So already I have written the heading. So don't write on the, okay? Don't write on the margin line, but write in the next line filling the blank heading, okay? After that, leave a line and start writing first blank. Already we have done in the textbook, okay? All these blanks we have done, but in the classwork also we supposed to write after the question and answers, okay? That's what I am making you to write. So first blank, children. Pay attention to the spelling, children. Children, children, children. Children, learn. Learn, learn. Finger gap. To read. R-E-A-D. Read. Read. Finger gap. And write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Write in a dash. So where do children learn to read and write in a? Where do children learn to read and write, children? In a school. Okay. So answer is school. So this is blank, children. Okay. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. So after first one, leave a line. For second blank, leave a line and write. Second blank, we, W, capital W, starting the sentence, okay? W-E-V, can, C-A-N, can, dash.
Okay. Money from a bank, B-A-N-K, bank. So we can dash money from a bank. So bank is one of the services. So while explaining the lesson, I have told you, bank is a financial institution where we deposit money. Also, when we require, when we need money, what do? Yes, when we don't have sufficient money in a bank for our needs, what do? We borrow. Okay. So what is the answer? We can dash money from a bank, borrow. So what is the spelling? B-O-R-R-O-W, borrow. So this is the blank, children. So after second one, for third filling the blank, leave a line. We send. Again, capital W, starting of the sentence. We, finger gap, send. S-E-N-D, send. Dash. To our, O-U-R, our relatives. R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E-S. Okay. To our relatives. Through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Through a post office. P-O-S-T-O-F-F-I-C-E. So we send dash to our relatives through a post office. What do we send through a post office? What do we send and receive through a post office, children? Letters. So the answer is letters. L-E-T-T-E-R-S. Letters. Letters, inland covers, envelope covers, greeting cards, all these. Okay. We send and receive to and from our neighbors through a post office. Okay. So next, fourth sentence, fourth blank. After third one, leave a line. Fourth one. Starting of a sentence, Gurudwara, G capital. Gurudwara. So G-U-R-U-D-W-A-R-A, Gurudwara is a place of dash. Gurudwara is a place of dash. So Gurudwara is a place of what, children? Yes. Gurudwara is a place of worship. W-O-R-S-H-I-P. Full stop. So after each sentence, pay attention, children. Put the full stop after each. Okay. Post office. Full stop. Worship. Full stop. Okay. Right fast. After this, I'll be displaying question and answers. As I told you yesterday, question and answers of this week what we have done the lesson, our neighborhood. So copy fast. Ready, children? So once you are ready, please type in the question and answer box that you are completed. You have completed filling the blanks. See, already term 1, all lessons I have displayed. Okay. Now if I display, other children will have confusion. Okay. So today I am going to display term 2, lesson our neighborhood. Okay. So that you take. So today I will not be able to display term 1, lesson 4. Who is asking here? Dakshit. Okay. So today I am going to display term 2, question and answers of our neighborhood lesson. Okay. So today I will not be able to display. I suppose you are ready with your writing, filling the blanks. So I will be displaying. So question and answers of our neighborhood lesson. So please take the screenshot. Class work. I'll manage. Dear parents, please take the screenshot of question and answers of lesson 1. In the classwork, we write lesson 1. Of course, if you're having lesson number 4, but in the classwork, lesson 1. Why? Because you are keeping this classwork solely for social. Only for social, that's what lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, like that we write. Not to have any confusion. Okay. So I have displayed already lesson 1 here. Our neighborhood, question answer 1 and 2. Please take the screenshot. Dear parents, I am allotting special time for you to take the screenshot of classwork. Why? Because from Wednesday onwards, some of the parents were asking, once I started writing the classwork, they were asking to share the screenshot. So I am allotting time and I am showing, please make use of it and take the screenshot. Next, third question and answer of lesson neighborhood. Third question and answer. Clear, no? Next, fourth question and answer. So fourth question and answer has got 11 points. As you see here, one word 11. So 11th one is the next page. Fourth question and answer. Next, So this is fourth question and answer, fourth answer point. 11 points are there. Don't be confused. So after this, there are many lines. So I have done, okay, fifth question and answer. So you make your child to write in this way, those who have not completed. Fifth question and answer. Next, sixth question and answer. Sixth question and answer. Seventh question and answer. Seventh question and answer. Next page you have two. Why? Because eighth one is eighth question and answer. Okay. Eighth answer is very short. So ninth also I have written. So if possible, make your child to write both in this page. Okay. Eighth question and answer and ninth question and answer. Next, 10th question and answer. Tenth question and answer. Next, filling the blank. So as I made you to write, children, those who have not completed, please take the screenshot. Yes. So with this, we have completed lesson, our neighborhood. Okay. Next class, we will be continuing with other new lessons. Okay. Next lesson, you have festival. Next class, we will be doing that one. Okay. Now, next week, what do you have, children? Next week, you are having online exam. So as per already syllabus for all the subjects, it is being displayed, timetable as well as syllabus. Okay. So as I'm having last class today, so I wanted to say about social, only social, it will be displayed, children. So you can take the screenshot. So about social, I have written here, unit test 2 online exam, subject social, only social I am giving. Already other subjects teachers have given, syllabus is given. Okay. So date, when do you have your social exam on? 28th November. Okay, from 10 to 10:30 a.m. Okay. marks for 25. And syllabus. Pay attention children. Term 1 textbook. Lesson 5 and 6. I have mentioned lesson name and the pages. Exercise and recreation pages 123 to 126. Lesson 6 houses we live in pages 127 to 132. Okay. Next term 2 textbook. This is in the textbook we are having lesson 4 our neighborhood pages 123 to 126. So don't be confused with lesson 5 pages and lesson 4 pages here. You find the same, but term 1 this is and this is term 2. Okay. And the model paper as you had for first unit. So you have multiple choice question 15, each 1 mark, true or false. Okay. 10, each 1 mark. So altogether you are having 25 marks. Okay. So now children, you pay. So all the pages are mentioned. So there are in the textbook, you have got MCQs, filling the blanks, or true or false. Everything you have to read. All the MCQs, filling the blanks you have to read. Also true or false you have to read. Okay. Why? Because so any sentence that is given in MCQ or filling the blanks, that can come as MCQ or true or false. So that's what pages are mentioned. Okay. So prepare well for your exam. Okay. And write. Yes children, please take the screenshot.